Okay, so today what we're going to do is take some recyclables, and I'm going to try making a kratky method growing arrangement with the almond milk container and a regular clamshell package. You can see there are little slots in the bottom of this, so when we put a growing media in here, the roots will actually be able to get out of there. And what we're going to do is make a pocket in the top of this so that this fits down, can be suspended in the water, and then we should be able to grow some lettuce in here. So the first thing I'm going to do is just kind of make some incisions, just so that I get a sense of where this thing needs to go. There it is there. And I'm going to come, this container actually fits, it looks like it's going to fit perfectly all the way across. So if we just make our incisions like that. There we are. You can see there's a little bit of chocolate almond milk, so we're going to rinse that out. Before that we do that, I just want to see, yep, and that's going to fit in there perfectly. So we'll put a little bit of growing media in here. We could try all kinds of different things. I might try some sawdust since I have lots of that around. And then you've actually got a little lid that you can close so you keep the humidity up in here. But it is ventilated across the top, so that's going to work quite well. And if we come over here to the sink, we'll just rinse this out now. And I'll add a little bit of water in here. We can get into nutrient solution a little bit later on. There's lots of different ways to do that. I think I'm just going to be using a little bit of Miracle Grow currently, because I have some of that in the basement. And if you look inside here now, we open up our little greenhouse lid, you can see that the water level is actually just inside the container, which is the way that we want to do that, to soak our grow medium to begin with. So there you have it. And we'll put that in a sunny window, and away we go. Another one that we could use for kratky method are these sort of Tetra Pak containers. I think they're going to work quite well for doing some of this. We might need a shallower container, or we might use some tin cans or something that we punch some holes in. I don't know. We'll see how that works. And the other one, of course, that we talked about in class is actually doing kratky in a mason jar. The real trick with the mason jar is to actually exclude the light. And again, you can do the same thing with a regular milk container like this. If you cut the top off, you can put the jar inside, and that'll exclude the light, so you don't